Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Good Tuesday morning, 8 minutes past the hour, just about to turn 9 minutes past the hour. Good to moderate. That is the air quality around Central Oregon right now, thanks to eSpace Labs and all of the sensors they have around Central Oregon. We are able to tell just about where the fires are, at least which direction the wind is blowing, based on where the those sensors are located. Well, this morning we're all under a fire weather watch, or a couple of heat advisory warnings here this morning. It is going to be a day where we get some where we have dry fuels. We'll get some more breezes, and we are looking at the possibility of more thunderstorms. Consequently, we're under a very, very tense fire situation here. So just be careful with all of that out there this morning. If you see any smoke or see lightning strikes through the afternoon, make note of their location and let folks know if you would. 85 is our average. We're going to add about 10 degrees to that. So while we may be a degree or two cooler than what you saw yesterday, we are still going to be fairly warm throughout the day. Easy start to the morning. We're under mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, so all of our streets here are in good shape. That's true for the mountains as well. Well, across the nation this morning, not too bad. We are looking at a few scattered showers here and there. This high pressure over the desert southwest is really responsible for two things. One is warm air being pulled into our area. The other is a lot of moisture coming in with that. Consequently, when we get that daytime heating, that's where that chance of thunderstorms builds in. Now, over the next couple of days, we're anticipating a little bit of relief, but not a ton. This high pressure center is gradually going to make its way off to the southeast. That's going to allow for a little bit of cooler air to pull into our region, and consequently we'll get this modest cool down. As you can see, though, we're still drawing a lot of warm air into the region, so the cool down is only going to be down to something a little more average for this time of year. Right now, 72 degrees at the Bend Airport with a breeze of 13 miles an hour out of the southwest. At Roberts Field, we're looking at temps a little bit cooler, 66 through there, and their south-southeasterly breeze at 9 miles per hour. Winds are going to stay a little bit on the variable side today. They'll pick up to 5 to 15 miles per hour this afternoon. Right now, we're looking at temperatures scattered through the 60s for most. It is 58 in La Pine, 59 in Sisters and in Prineville. We're looking at a day that warms into the low to mid 90s for most. We are going to see warm temperatures throughout the afternoon, and that breeze that comes will be fairly warm as well. For your extended forecast, doesn't look like we'll have much pollen in the air today. It does look like we'll be warm today, and here comes that modest cool down that we were talking about. Gets us down close to our average of 85 degrees. Enjoy it while it's here, because we will warm again for the weekend, and we'll be in the low 90s going into next week.